A very good morning, dear students. I hope that you all are well. You are studying regularly at home. The chapter fraction you have to practice along with me, otherwise you will not able to understand. You have to watch the video regularly and you have to practice it. Whenever you are seeing the video, you must have copy, pen with you so that you can also practice along with me. So in today's class, we'll be studying about subtraction of mixed number. In the previous class, I have told you the addition of mixed number. Similarly, we'll be doing the subtraction. Like addition, we'll be doing the subtraction. So first of all, 3 and 9. These are the whole numbers. So we'll be writing this whole number separately and we'll be writing the fraction in brackets. So let us solve this question. First of all, the whole number, that is 3 and 9. That I will be writing separately. I will be subtracting this fraction. So first 9 it is greater. So I will be writing 9 minus 3. After writing this fraction, then I will be putting a sign of plus and I will be writing this fraction 1 by 4 minus 5 upon 12. So 5 upon 12 it is greater. So I will be writing first of all the 5 upon 12 here. I will be writing first 5 upon 12 because I am subtracting it, and I will be writing 1 upon 4. Now let us do how we will be doing it. We will be subtracting 9 from 3. So we get 6 plus we will be finding the LCM of the 12 and 4. So the LCM it is 12. So 12 divided by 12 is 1. Multiplied by the numerator 5 minus 4. 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiplied by the numerator 1. So 6 plus 5 ones are 5 minus 3 upon 12. So I get 6 plus 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 12. So we can cancel it. 2 ones are 2 and 2 six are 12. So what do we get here? We get 6, 1 upon 6. This is our answer. Now let us do another question. Before doing the another question, let us revise this question. Subtraction of mixed number. Mixed number, you all know, we have discussed this in the first class. Mixed number are those number which have a number is there and the another fraction is there. This type of the numbers, they are called as the mixed number. Now these are two whole number. You will be writing this separately. I have written here 9 minus 3 because we are doing the subtraction. So I put the sign of minus here. Plus these two fractions you will be writing in brackets. 5 upon 12 minus 1 upon 4. I have written here. Then you have to find the LCM of 12 and 4. The LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. The LCM we have discussed many times. In the previous chapter also we have discussed the LCM. So the LCM of 12 and 4 is 12. So if you divide 12 with the 12, you will be getting 1 multiplied by the numerator, that is 5. Again you will be putting the sign of minus. Then 12 divided by 4 is 3. Multiplied by this numerator 1. 6 plus 5 minus 3 upon 12. 5 minus 3 is 2 upon 12. It get cancelled. 2 ones are 2, 2 six are 12. So the answer is 6, 1 upon 6. Let us do one more problem. If you have to subtract a whole number, this is a whole number, this whole number if you have to subtract it with the fraction 1 by 3, then how you will be subtracting it? This is the whole number and this is the fraction. Then how you will be doing this question? If nothing is there in the denominator, we can assume that 1 is there. we can write this as 6 upon 1 minus 1 upon 3. We can write this. Now we can find the LCM of 1 and 3. The LCM of 1 and 3 is 3. Then what will be doing? 3 divided by 1 is 3, multiplied by 6 minus 3 divided by 3 is 1, multiplied by 1. 3 6 are 18 minus 1 upon 3. So 18 minus 1 is 17 upon 3. Now look at this answer. Here the numerator it is greater than the denominator. It is 17 by 3. So we can say that this is an improper fraction. We will be converting this improper fraction into mixed number. So how will be converting it? It is 17. 17 is here. We will be dividing this with the 3. So if we divide 17 by 3, 3 5s are 15. 2 is the remainder. So how I will be writing this? I will be writing 5 here and the remainder, that is 2, I will be writing above, and the divisor I will be writing here. So 5 multiplied by 3 is 15 and 15 plus 2 is 17. Should I do this in rough? 5 multiplied by 3 is 15. Yes. And 15 plus 2 is 17. So it is 17 by 3. 17 by 3 in the mixed number will be writing it as 5 2 upon 3. So let us revise this question now. 6 minus 1 upon 3. How you will be subtracting a fraction with the whole number? Here only 6 is there. In denominator no number is there. So we can write 1 in the denominator. Then 1 and 3 you have to find the LCM of 1 and 3. So that is 3. Then you have to divide 3 with 1. You will be getting 3. Multiply by the numerator, that is 6. Minus 3 divided by 3 is 1. Multiply by this numerator 1. Then 3 multiplied by 6 is 18. 1 multiplied by 1 is 1. I have written here 3. 18 minus 1 is 17 upon 3. Now look at this fraction. This is improper fraction. 17 upon 3 is an improper fraction. Why? Because the numerator it is greater than the denominator. So I will be converting this improper fraction into this mixed number. How do I got this mixed number? Look at here. You will be dividing 17 by 3. So 3 5s are 15. If you subtract 17 with 15, you will be getting 2. So the 5, which is the quotient, you will be writing here. Remainder you will be writing above, and this 3 divisor you will be writing below. In this way you will be converting this improper fraction into the mixed number. Now let us do one more problem. Let us do one more problem of the subtraction of fractions. I am writing the question. We have to subtract 8 minus 3, 2 upon 5. We have to subtract 8 with this mixed number. So how I will be subtracting it? 8 is there. I can write 8. In the denominator I can write 1. Yes. Minus 3 5s are 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. I can write this as 17 upon 5. Now we can do the subtraction of these two fractions. So let us do. First of all, we will be finding the LCM of 1 and 5. So that is 5. I have written here. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Multiply by the numerator, that is 8, minus 5 divided by 5 is 1. Multiply by 17. So 5 8s are 40 minus 17 upon 5. So if you subtract 40 with 17, you will be getting 23 upon 5. Now here also this is an improper fraction. So what we'll be doing? We'll be dividing 23 with the 5. 5 4s are 23. So how I'll be writing this? The 4 which is there, which is the quotient, I'll be writing here. The remainder is 3. I'll be writing here, and the 5 I'll be writing below. So let us revise this question again. You have to subtract this whole number, that is 8, with this mixed number. So first of all, convert this mixed number into the fraction. How you will be converting it? 3 multiplied by 5 plus 2. So 3 multiplied by 5 is 15. 15 plus 2 is 17. So here we get 17 upon 5. Then find the LCM of 1 and 5. It is 5. 5 divided by 1 is 5. Multiply by this numerator 8. Sign of minus. 5 divided by 5 is 1. Multiply by this numerator, that is 17. Then 5 8s are 40 minus 1 multiplied by 17 is 17. So here the answer we get is 23 upon 5. This again it is an improper fraction because the numerator is greater than the denominator. So I will be converting it into the mixed number. So divide 23 with 5. If you divide it, you will be getting the quotient is 4. I have written the quotient here. How you will be writing? First of all, you will be writing the quotient. Then you have to write the remainder. Then this divisor. In this way you have to write. So you will be getting this as your final answer. So in today's class we have done the subtraction of fraction. Practice it. That's all for today's class. Have a nice day.